leave on the 21st, come back on the 3rd.
Christmas you'll be there lah.
I said Christmas. Then Mommy said since you're going for Christmas, stay for New Year's.
Okay lah.
So then I said okay lah until the 3rd. 2nd, I said 2nd. And 3rd lah, no, said don't rush. And said go 2 days earlier. So 21st to the 3rd. Julia messaged me last night. Said Ashwin said to check about the visa, whether need to buy the ticket first or not. So I checked. Then I confirmed with my friend. Then he said need the itinerary. Just proof lah when you're traveling.
Oh, the ticket lah.
The ticket you purchase only after you get your visa. Because what if you are not approved? Then you waste that money. So now they changed that. But you need to. The one I checked 3 something lah. For the visitor one, 6 months. That's the minimum, the least lah.
Let's go to Julia Street lah.
Can do online.
Oh, so
E-visa.
oh, then Julia can do it.
She asked me to find out last night, so I checked.
Only you going, Avita?
Only me.
Oh, Julia all not going.
No.
Children.
I think they're coming down for Ashwin's birthday. Emrys, she said yesterday, Daddy, Ashwin said want travel for his birthday and said no better place than Penang. Got the beaches, got the food.
Nasi kandar.
It's nasi kandar. I think for them, like, you come back once in a while, it's.
For them, it's like.
For us, you can get it any time of the day. You don't really. 24 hours they deliver. Thank you. I was thinking get one nice one for the wedding, and then get some tops so that I can wear with jeans.
See how they can manage with that.
Just move around and check.
Cannot means I just walk to your office and they give me a blank check.
Check their own cash.
Give me a debit card.
That's it lah, the number.
Give me a debit card.
Go to India, they'll give you some clothes. Kalau Raja will take care of
India cheaper lah, here rascal.
And no point buying, when everything is coming from there.
You will be
Just
shocked
buy
to
one
see the
from there.
price and then
Reasonable.
you see Lazada, isn't it? After you go and see, you'll be shocked to see the price and the quality.
Lazada is cheaper. The moment you see.
Lazada, the one I ordered that day, I really liked it, But then
they say no size.
not no size. The one I ordered, they said then they change it to pre-order, and then they cannot guarantee when you can get it because a lot of orders. And then another 2 I saw that I liked. One out of stock. Another one no size. The size I wanted, none. XL. And then you must check, they all have different sizes.
Yeah.
Some XL may be for plus size one. Not.
So afterwards, you want to go and have your breakfast first.
I had bread and with margarine with my coffee.
Go to Srivel and go to lah.
Why you want to go to see once Indian food?
Oh, you want Indian food.
Car alarm started going off last night. Terrible, the storm. No rain, just windstorm. Lasted for about at least 30-35 minutes. Things falling.
Lightning or thunder.
There was lightning but no rain. Dry lightning.
Right.
Dry lightning.
But no sound.
Maybe reading somewhere.
No thunder.
Just the lightning. Tell me, I know. 13 or 2. I thought I will ask Sunny.
Yeah, I was so fast asleep.
Oh, the howling.
After you slept for a few minutes, about 12 something.
Others are send send you all the video, the howling, the wind, door slamming, things falling. Can hear the people also all waking up.
Trees.
The blinds, the balcony, that one when it starts to fly up, you quickly pull it up, be disturbing to others, the sound. A new condo coming up there. Oh, then you block the view for these people. You pay so much for the view. Huh.
You book one here.
I book one here. Can. Can.
5 million.
This one.
5 million, 5 to 6 million.
No, the one that they towards the sea is more. This one I don't know how much.
You know the one that day we saw when we went to St. Nicholas and pointed out to the clouds, the mist. That one, Kimberly, my student, she told me she went that day to visit one of her classmates. 5.6 million. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 38 floors. Oh my God. Come in front like that and break. Put the signal, then don't want to go. Oh my heart. Oh yeah, that's why I don't drive lah. Cannot lah. They want me to drive the 3 children, the car in KL. Oh my God.
But KL is here.
KL is much easier than Penang.
They see our station cars. They don't put it here.
Oh. Emrys was saying all 3 of them planning to take up psychology. Ashwin said to buy one bungalow, convert it into a clinic. I said, good. I said, if 3 of you.
They can convert their house or. They stay upstairs. They got 3 floors.
Privacy lah.
I think they won't want to show your personal address. You're going to be dealing with.
All mental fellas.
I said then have like a lounge, a place where they can sit and have coffee, tea, chat.
By the time
But it's good.
they'll keep changing 3-4 times once they start growing up. You never know what the time comes for them.
If they
What
see
it will
something
be
else
like.
they want to.
What it will be like, maybe psychology will be out of date or something else.
She said that first Salisha wanted to do forensic science. I said good. I said I love forensics. Then she said, but Ashwin and Julia told her that cannot, you're scared of bugs. I said that's not true. Not to say forensic means all deal with the bugs. There's so many.
Like, now they what do you call, like SPRM, so they got forensic.
Yeah.
Forensic is more like criminal already.
I said.
Autopsy or something.
They won't be going to bugs, right?
No, the bugs, that one is what? Entomology or something like that. One is different. You find a dead body, then you see what kind of bugs on the body, you know from where they come, what season.
Crime investigation.
You know how long the person has been dead for. Then the flies, I asked her, what is the first thing that goes to as a carcass or dead body, what arrives first? Flies. I said, correct.
Ships are flies, they can smell the dead.
And then when they lay the eggs, they'll know how long it takes for them to lay the egg, how long it takes for egg to hatch, and they know how long the body has been there. They got body farms, what? But if no one claims the body, or people donate the body to science, my body be lying somewhere lah. They put there, and then every day they go and take notes, the changes in the body, so they know how long. But Malaysia doesn't have body farm. You can watch the videos, very nice to watch. I like to watch because nice lah, just to know our body, what will happen. Auntie?
Under body farm.
Body farm.
Very interesting.
You can see when it turns, then the discoloration, then you bloat.
Another
Then
incense.
when our body pops, all the body fluids,
It's in your stomach. But
it'll burst. I told Emrys, I said, just like a balloon, you blow too much air in it, it will pop.
all the gas in the stomach.
So when you keep it
I
long,
said, after it pops, then you get all the maggots and all that.
They got all the organs from inside.
Mm.
That remove everything. The body is a shell. Then we
They'll eat you up from inside out. Now at least she talks to me lah. That day lah, after coming down at Daddy's place, since that time lah,
get more familiar.
I think she is like
Used to
can remember already those days. We used to go often.
Jokes or not?
No.
No, serious.
Some that day at Daddy's place, I kept talking about last time. So remember Annabelle, how you used to scare me with Annabelle, how you whisper in my ear, then she laughed.
Ask her to tell a joke every day. Hey, tell me a joke.
Oh, but she tells me about the cats and all that, the funny things.
Cat's
Yeah.
pretty, huh? Oh, you
Mm.
50,000, no, the cat 20,000. How much I put it?
50,000.
Sure,
The
is
Bengal cat, not cheap.
The friend don't want
No. Then he bought or he was
He
given?
bought lah. Aisha said what then?
See, you
Salisha
should
quickly.
breed. This one is a male.
I told her that day. I said, tell Daddy, Auntie Avi said, and breed and make good money.
I sent the article to him. That's why I saw the price. Some cats are 500,000.
People will buy. I said, get another Bengal cat, female. It's an investment.
No, he can go and look for a female.
And
The
then have
I'll take 2 kittens and see how many kittens you have.
pick of the litter. Yeah, he's got the male. Is the stud fee. You can get a good stud fee. For cats also, it's called stud fee. I don't know lah.
Exchange, give me
Mm.
so I let my cat mate with your female. That's what they do.
You're not going to open a kitten mill or what. Just like 1 liter per year or something like that. Because Benji is still young, what? About 4 years old.
How many years have they got to be before they can breed? Huh?
Then my kitten already in heat last night started again.
Oh my.
6 months old only.
Because of food.
She started 4.5 months old. And then they say warm climate, they going to heat faster.
Oh. What is the reaction of it?
She gets very restless. And then they start yowling when you
that
they start yowling.
give signal, I think.
And then very restless. She cannot sit still. But the first time I felt so sad see her like that. I also didn't know what to do. Well, she is so young. When her appointment, I changed to the 31st to have her spayed. First they gave 29, but cannot because they cannot keep overnight. Sunday they are closed. I thought good lah, 30th going for the wedding, and 31st I take her. Just nice. After that, no need to worry lah. There'll be more. Settle down.
Which wedding?
Son of a
Oh. But we're coming back, right?
Of course, lah. I want to say, where do you want to stay?
Daddy go and take us to Taiping Lake Park and stay there.
But bring your change, Avita.
The cabin by the lake.
No, bring your
What
change.
they call a boat house.
We can say go up to Maxwell Hill.
All of you bring your change. We'll go to one bathroom and shell or what. Tukar baju.
Yalah, how
Can't
to
be
wear.
going with that Punjabi suit and all lah.
I was thinking shoes also bring and put the boot.
Yeah lah, everything bring. Put everything. After that,
I mean
go to-
dress and go for the wedding. After that need change.
After that. No.
Dress-
Wear and go.
lah, dress and go for the wedding lah.
Then after that go to the shell, take out that
Casual
Punjabi
wear.
suit and put the casual. Then only can roam about in temple. If you go like this, they be thinking,
Dress and go for the wedding. For the house itself be easier. Your cousins, who's the one getting married?
Daughter.
But your cousin's daughter won't be around my age. I was thinking that day. I thought maybe you mean granddaughter.
No, they are young.
I'm going to be 50, you know.
His
Daddy's
children,
cousin.
let's say your children, how old will
That's
they
all.
be?
This one is daddy's cousin's daughter, be my age.
But this is young. He's only 60 now.
No, doctor could be 20 something.
Must be about 30. Must be 30.
Late 30s or late 30s?
No, cannot be. Must be late. Because her sister also 30 something.
Sister married a
Daddy's cousin.
Chinese citizen.
Oh,
They are staying in China, but she has come for holidays.
nice, huh?
What you call that? That meditation group. Amma.
They belong to some yoga group, so they met online.
Oh,
He
The
was-
guru matchmake them lah.
So it seems they can know,
your stars align or
Bagus
not.
tu.
what lah.
Then they match them lah.
That fellow also has got one same thing there. But in China, it seems very strict. They don't allow gathering and all this religious.
Yeah, even
Christianity
remember
also
those days Bibles, you have to smuggle the
Even now.
Bibles.
Even now,
Everything
this one is all
underground.
Because communist ideology.
Communist,
don't believe in Christian religion.
Like that girl, remember, mind your language, Suiling.
Mr. Brown.
I still watch his videos on Facebook or YouTube. You can watch.
They laugh, I tell you.
1,000
I like
apologies.
the white fella
Ali.
and the Pakistani fellas.
Ali.
Really,
You can never stop watching
So
them.
Ah, yeah.
And that
good
and the
lah,
Three Stooges.
I watched that also.
I
You know the Three Stooges. I mean,
Aiyo,
they
you
really get hurt. You know when recording. They really hit each other.
Really, huh?
Yeah,
Come.
they really hit each other. It's not just acting.
They're still alive nowadays.
No.
Must be days lah, gone.
But their videos will live forever.
Aiyo,
All in black and white. You
really
can
good.
watch for free on
But I
YouTube.
I like the Charlie Chaplin one. Cannot beat Charlie Chaplin.
Yeah. And that little boy that's always with him, you know.
No talking, just.
Yes. Like mime.
Good.
Remember P. Ramlee made one movie, that Belalang. Pak Belalang. Also there's a little boy. Something like Charlie Chaplin.
Funny lah, Three Stooges, you can laugh. Now,
Never a dull moment with them.
get when they cut the
I be a chef.
Ay,
They are thinking of
Mm.
ideas.
no script.
So a bit coming to little Bollywood.
Oh, wait, I must tell them.
street,